I'm Noah Sears from MRP, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Ramp Control upgrade cartridge in your Rock Shox fork. The Ramp Control cartridge is only compatible with Solo Air Rock Shox forks. For a complete listing of compatible products, please see our product page on our website. The tools you're going to need to install our Ramp Control cartridge include a 24mm socket, an 11mm socket, and a cassette tool, and of course all the appropriate wrenches. You'll also need a small amount of slick honey or similar and a suspension specific pump. Before doing any work on the fork, make sure you release all the air pressure from the fork. You can do so by depressing the valve or removing the valve core completely. With all the air removed from the fork, you can now use your 24mm socket and remove the air cap. Next, remove the dust cover from the Ramp Control cartridge to expose the lock nut underneath. Use your 11mm socket to remove that lock nut. With the lock nut removed, you can also remove the Ramp Control knob. Use a little slick honey on the O-ring on the Ramp Control cartridge. Make sure not to get any grease on the threads themselves. Now it's time to install the cartridge in the fork. Use your cassette lock ring tool to thread the cartridge into the fork. Tighten to the appropriate torque spec. With the cartridge itself installed, next reinstall the knob, followed by the lock nut. Be sure to hold the knob while you're tightening the lock nut, and torque it only to 2 Nm. Next, reinflate the fork. As a final step, reinstall the dust cover, install the fork back onto your bike, and go for a ride.